Hi guys, Jen here with How Jen Does It. Today I am taking down all of my fall decor, putting it away, and then cleaning my main living areas and getting it ready for Christmas decor. This is when I'm grateful that I don't go too crazy with my fall decor because it's not really fun to put it all away. I know that a lot of you are probably getting ready to decorate your home for the holidays, so I hope that you find this video motivating, and yes, I'll definitely be sharing my Christmas decor tour. It does take me a little while to decorate, and I will share it with you when it's done. I start by gathering all of the fall decor that I'm going to put away. I try to keep my fall decor to one bin, and that way I don't have too much, but I have enough where I feel like it's decorated nicely, but it's not overwhelming. I keep one bin for spring and summer decor, and then Christmas, well, I have quite a few bins for that. But I am just going around and gathering everything up, and I do like to wrap it up really well so that nothing will break. To clean the surfaces in my home, I am using Indus, and Indus is sponsoring today's video. I like to spray it on a microfiber cloth and wipe down my surfaces. It leaves the surfaces really nice and shiny. It removes dust and allergens, and it's great for many surfaces. You can use it on furniture, countertops. You can use it to wipe down your cabinets. You could use it on your car dashboards. You can use it on non-fabric blinds. So it's great for a lot of different things, and it doesn't leave any residue or buildup, which is really nice. Now I'm in my living room. I want to dust my mantle really well because soon it will have a lot of Christmas decor with garland and everything, which makes it a little hard to dust around. So I want to give it a good cleaning with the Indus. I also want to clean my TV stand because I like to decorate that as well. Now I am in my dining room and I'm just removing the placemats and linen napkins that I used for the fall. I also use the same ones for the spring. So I wanted to clean my table really well and get it ready for my Christmas table setting. And be sure to look at the window because I was really happy to see that I caught a beautiful sunset. So you'll be able to see that through the window. So gorgeous. That is one thing that I didn't know when we bought this house, that you can see the sunset from my kitchen at least, and sometimes through all of the windows. So gorgeous. Now I am cleaning the kitchen cabinets with Indust. I usually just wipe them down with a damp cloth, but this was nice because it got my kitchen cabinets really nice and clean and removed anything that was on there and left them really nice and shiny. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it motivated you to clean your home in preparation for the holidays. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day.